are typically in the south. So what it's going to do is put these millions of gallons of gas out there that should help, it says, alleviate gas prices over the busy driving season.
Anymore, so I just rattled off. You all know, if you go anywhere, I mean, this is an aging, he put a tattoo on his arm, self. I figured like a speed. I was trying to think of like people who live in Arizona. Joyce DeWitt's coming.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's exciting. Where are we? What's this? Things always.
Why did you want that one over there?
This person that you see now is fake. We are living in a world of just complete insanity. There are 1,000 comments underneath this little clip, and they're all people going, well, I think you need to look at the cloning because she's a clone. Now maybe, okay, I don't want to argue with you people, and maybe there's cloning going, whatever. But why clone Avril Lavigne and Jamie Foxx? Like, I feel like if you're gonna clone people, I don't know.
Great minds.
That's what I would think, but nothing against Avril Lavigne and Jamie Foxx, but so who knows? Anyway, like if Jamie Foxx died, as sad as it would be, we all love her. Yeah, but so I might be going Randy. Is it Randy Jackson?
Randy Jackson.
So he's gonna go alongside of this thing?
That's the guy, right?
Randy.
Well, you know what?
Stadium. What stadium's over there?
Whoa.
Does that say Gators? Gator Stadium.
Lately, a lot of stories come out.
But what is that thing on top of it? Is that wash the top of it?
Yeah.
Is it?
You should. Yeah.
You don't know.
We're taking our news.
The washer?
So it
Yeah.
comes
Like
from
it'd be
everywhere.
very firm.
Who knows what to believe? You know what I mean? But then when you see video, you're like, all right.
They're the retired buses.
There's a video. Okay. You guys know the deal. It's an old
Gators.
video.
Is this part of the school?
If I'm not mistaken.
It's like a... Yeah.
Okay, so do it. Just do it.
Yeah, I was waiting. Is it going to have some food at this place? It's probably... Damn it, I should have went. Didn't go. Whoa. That must be old, man.
Go in this parking lot. Go in this parking lot. This is from Los Angeles. One of these is from Los Angeles.
That's from that side. What's the mailbox on that side? Why is the mailbox open?
Old stuff.
Wait, I went there for the next location.
There they are. There's one. There's a whole bunch. That is so.
So I go shirt.
You shush. We're in Minisink Valley right now. I forgot it's terrible.
Bigger balls? Did you though, Nathan? Did you though? I see it. I see it. I see the buses. Is that ice cream place?
No.
What? Whitewater rafting? What do they mean? There's water rafting around here?
Yeah. This is coming to the right. Well,
Huh?
not yet.
What do you mean? That's different. Maybe there's more buses. Maybe. Oh, there's buses over there. I'm so confused. There's one bus over there.
There's two. There's
Memorial Park. How do you get to Greater Ridge Memorial Park? What is that? Is that over here?
We'll check these ones first. There's another one over there.
What, ice cream shop?
She just came in from an ice cream shop.
They want you. They're hiring me. Where is it? That's the bus people. They're all going over there. Oh no, this person behind me. Candy cane.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh god, man. Crossing the. Come on, man! It's a car coming. I'll go better than an arrow. We got an arrow.
I think that.
It's a weird looking bus. Hey, didn't it look at you weird? Able to ride driver for a long time.
Stay away. I heard X, Y, and Z, or a handful of times over the past like 3 years.
I want to. I can't even see anything from here.
Thank you so much for your question. Paris did just meet here one day, and I didn't really give it any explanation. I thought like maybe I would go into our book, or I don't know if they want to show.
I'm not going in.
But we could talk a little bit about it now with
This guy's on the wrong side of the road.
ending. Do you want to tell everyone?
I can see it. Chinese food. Alright, so this is stop number 2. There's only.
Hair treatment. Turn your shower experience into a spa-like
Turn.
You see the front of the face.
Did you not want me to turn?
100%.
What am I looking at?
There's a historic bus. I'm gonna get it.
It's telling me to go. This is a lot of traffic over here.
Empty bus. Oh. Yeah.
There's like 5 buses here.
It's still good.
Oh, I saw that.
Bus a lot. He's an army helicopter.
I can't go there. I'm staying with the union here. There's nothing back there that's a plane, right? I'm getting excited again. Super soaker streets. Oh, is this person waving to you? Did you think you were waving? Let's just name, call things out, we see. These buses must be coming from that place that you're talking about that we're going to now, huh?
Yes. Oh, so is this.
It's on the left-hand side.
There.
There's nothing here. Too bad. Too bad, so sad. Don't shush me!
I want to.
Man, I better get extra points, man.
That would get back out. I mean, if you're talking hair care advice, why listen to anyone besides the woman who gave us the Rachel? Her first product that she came out with, the glossing detangler, it is now part of my daily routine. They're cruelty-free and vegan. The in-shower trio of restorative shampoo and conditioner plus